As a cost accountant or auditor, you know the importance of a detailed, thorough audit checklist. But creating one from scratch can be time-consuming. What if you could automate this process with ChatGPT in just minutes? In today's module, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to generate a customized audit checklist in seconds. If you haven't watched the previous modules in this series, make sure to check them out using the link above. What is an audit checklist? An audit checklist is a critical tool for ensuring that every step of an audit is completed accurately. Whether you are auditing inventory, financial records, or compliance procedures, a well-organized checklist can streamline your entire process. But instead of manually listing every item, ChatGPT can help you generate a tailored checklist based on your needs, saving you hours of prep time. Why automate the audit checklist? Let's face it, creating audit checklists from scratch can be repetitive and mundane. With ChatGPT, you can generate checklists for any type of audit, like internal, external, compliance-based, or operational. Ensure consistency and accuracy every time, no matter the complexity. Focus on analyzing the data and making decisions, instead of spending time drafting checklists. ChatGPT Audit Checklist Examples. Here are a few examples you can try with ChatGPT. Prompt 1. Create an internal audit checklist for inventory management in a manufacturing company, covering physical counts, inventory reconciliation, and documentation. Prompt 2. Generate an audit checklist for a company's financial year-end review, focusing on revenue, expenses, and liabilities. Prompt 3. Create a checklist for compliance audit on GST, including key areas of concern and documentation required. Prompt 4. Prepare a checklist for a payroll audit, covering deductions, benefits, and payroll software checks. By simply providing the right prompt, ChatGPT tailors the checklist to fit your specific needs. Limitations of ChatGPT in audit checklists. However, while ChatGPT can automate the process of generating checklists, there are a few things to keep in mind. It can't replace human judgment. Always review the generated checklist. If you are auditing specialized industries or processes, you may need to adjust the output or add additional steps manually. But ChatGPT will still save you significant time. What's next? See you in the next module, where we'll help you automate your audit reports. Like, share and subscribe.